The Akron-Canton Regional Food Bank does an awful lot of good, not only in Akron, but also in Canton and further points south. It's important to be able to provide healthy foods and to have that available for people in their own neighborhoods. So often they go to a convenience store and those things just aren't available. And so to have the Akron-Canton Food Bank there providing that nutritious food is going to be really important. We're blessed to have the food bank as a resource to get that food to the people who really need it.